If you were absent or you're VIP today, which is Thursday, January 28th, here's what you missed. First, we went over our vocab words, but I'm not requiring my at-home kids to do Nearpod this week because you've already written your sentences. So first thing that you will do is read this. It's an excerpt from our textbook. It's an essay, I would call it, about Brown versus Board of Education, which was the Supreme Court ruling that determined that segregation in public schools was unconstitutional. So throughout it, I've kind of just left a couple little notes to explain a few things to you. I've highlighted some things that are important. Just left a couple like interesting facts, things like that. And then I've also in pink let you know where you can find these smaller sections you're going to analyze in detail. So you're going to read through it, read the notes, and then head over to this, which is a set of questions that ask you to close read. So we've kind of walked you through the steps of close reading. So first you'll identify the definitions of these words. You're welcome to use the dictionary and then just make sure that you are choosing, the correct definition. If neither of them or any of them seem to fit, go to Google and search it up instead. Just make sure that you have correct answers that fit the context. And then there are questions in each section. So you can look at the section in context. So like here is page 1 of this. It's right here, and answer these questions. I don't need complete sentences or anything. I just need you to answer the question. You'll do the same for section 2, which is right here, and for section 3, which is towards the end, right there. And then I have a Nearpod for you that you will do to kind of check your answers. So you will use, it should be linked in your classroom. So you'll use this and click on this. And at least for the vocab and some of the questions, I've turned into multiple choice, and that'll help you check your answers on those. There's also a video that is really helpful. I actually recommend that you watch the video first, and that kind of gives you a bit of background about Brown versus Board, and it'll probably make the essay a bit easier to read since you already have that prior knowledge. So watch the video, read the essay, answer the questions, and then use Nearpod. I think that's it. If you have any questions on it, let me know. Otherwise, I will talk to you tomorrow.